This is that $100 track saw system that got everyone all riled up the first time I showed it to you a few months ago. And now it has a new feature that makes it even more of an absolute no-brainer in my shop. I'm also going to show you how I never mess up cabinet hardware mounting anymore, and why you need an upside down measuring tape, and more in this 50th edition of Cool Tools, the show where I get to share some of the most clever and innovative tools that I've come across in my years of woodworking. Things that I think you have to know about because they can make a real difference in your shop. I'll link to everything below the video so you can check it out if you want more information. But I warn you, the stuff I show on these videos tends to disappear once people learn about it. So if you do want to try something, pause the video and use the link. I'm just saying. Now, let's get to that track saw. When I first discovered the Milescraft track saw system, I couldn't believe the price. I mean, this isn't just an edge guide. It's a track saw system that quickly converts most handheld circular saws into legitimate track saws. This is what I recommend to anyone that's looking for a way to cut materials, especially plywood, without a table saw. The cuts will be clean and accurate. It's really a game changer for the budget-conscious woodworker. But now they've added a new option that I just think makes it so much better. They call it a track saw square, and it's really clever. Obviously, its purpose is to square the track to the edge of a workpiece quickly and easily so you can make your cuts without fussing around. But to do that reliably requires more than meets the eye. The square attaches to the slots on the bottom of the Milescraft track, but these aren't just simple T-slots. They're tapered so that the whole thing auto squares when you tighten it in place. No need to mess with it. It's fast, easy, and simple. It's also symmetrically designed so it can be used at either the beginning of the cut or at the end, whichever is most comfortable. They added an extendable tab to give the track anti-tip support, and they even thought to make it compatible with undermount clamps that may be used to secure the track to a workpiece. I admit I rarely use those clamps though, because the grippy bottom holds the track still just fine without them, and it's so nice to just drop it in place and make a quick cut without messing around. This square attachment just takes that convenience to the next level. It's a nice upgrade for an already great system. If you've been wanting a track saw, but you don't have $500 or $600 laying around, this is the real deal for a fraction of the price. I'll put a link to the track saw set and the optional square accessory below this video. You may have noticed that I've been wearing this apron for the last several weeks. It might look relatively normal to you, but it's special to me. And I think you might agree once you hear the story. The brand is Carhartt, and it's exactly what you'd expect from what I think is one of the best names in workwear. It's tough, it's well-fitting and comfortable. I love how sawdust doesn't stick to it like other aprons. It's not one of those $500 custom leather things that you're afraid to use. It's exactly what a hard-working shop apron should be. But the real story is where I got it. It's from a small business in Missouri called Dungarees. They started out in 1999 as two brothers who were contractors that didn't have access to a decent selection of quality workwear where they lived. So they began selling it from their van 25 years ago, and today they've grown to 2 physical stores and a comprehensive website that's dedicated to people who need the right gear to get the job done, all over the United States and even beyond. They only carry the best brands, and their focus is on quality and service. But most importantly, they've built a business that is employee-owned. The workers have an actual stake in the company, and I just love that. So please take a minute to visit their site using the link below. I'll be getting all my shop clothing from there moving forward, and I hope you'll consider supporting them too. I've mounted more door and drawer pulls than I could possibly count, and I usually end up making some sort of quick jig so I don't screw things up. Then I found this simple setup for under $10, and it has been awesome because it is just so well thought out. The horizontal bar is a center finding ruler. If you don't know how one of those works, it's simple. There's a 0 in the center, and the scales count upward toward the 2 ends. So you just put the 0 roughly in the center of your panel, and you adjust the whole jig right or left until the reading on one end is the same as the reading on the other. In this case, about 7 7/16. Now I know it's centered from right to left, and I can use the other rule to adjust its position from top to bottom. At this point, I can mark for a single knob, or I can adjust the two outer cursors to match the width of wider hardware. Not only is it easy to set up the first time, but there's a tab so it can be used to reference the same position again and again on multiple doors and drawers without repeating your setups. It's simple and inexpensive. It even comes with a marking awl for under 10 bucks. The blue parts are plastic, which is fine for most uses, but it's also available in an all-metal version for a little more cost. It's one of those tools that you want on hand when you need it, and since it's so affordable, there's no reason not to grab one now. I'll link to it below the video. I bought this measuring tape after we put up a new wall in the warehouse, and we just got sick of trying to read the tape over our heads. You know what happens, right? If you hold it upside down so you can read the numbers, it flops over on you. So you try to give it a half a turn and it still flops. It's just a pain in the butt. This tape solves that problem by printing the numbers on both sides, so it can be read easily in both positions. It's a simple concept that makes a lot of jobs a lot less frustrating. So I grabbed one and we've been using it in the shop ever since. And it's not all about that one feature. It's a tough measuring tape. It's been drop tested up to 100 feet, and it has all the bells and whistles. It's easy to read. There's reinforced tabs that hook in multiple ways, a matte finish that you can write on. You may not think you need another measuring tape, but this one is probably going to become your everyday user. They're going to disappear fast once people find out about them, so check out the link below this video while you can. No matter what brand of track saw you use, you know how important it is to take care of the tracks. You don't want to stand them in a corner or throw them on a shelf where they can get bent or the corners can get dinged up. A lot of my woodworking friends have been using these special hangers. So I got some for my tracks and I really like them. They're neat, they're secure, and they can go just about anywhere. Some folks even attach these to their garage doors to make use of that space. They aren't going to fall off even when the door is opened. It's a really clever idea. Mine just hang on a wall where they can be used vertically or horizontally, and they're compatible with most tracks: Makita, Festool, DeWalt, most of the major brands. Unfortunately, they don't seem to work with my Milescraft track, so keep that in mind if you're going to get a Milescraft track saw. At the link below, you'll find measurements, so you'll want to confirm that they're compatible with whatever track you have. If it fits, and it probably will, get a set and protect your investment. It's cheap insurance. Before I wrap up our 50th Cool Tools episode, I want to thank all the loyal viewers who are always stopping me at public events asking for more of these. And I also want to thank the sponsors because they are what make this possible, especially small businesses like this one. The M-Power SBS sharpening station is an idea that was 4 years in the making, designed to provide everything you need right in one place so you can sharpen and strop your tools quickly and get right back to work. It begins with 3 diamond plates. There's 300, 600, and 1200 grit. After sharpening, you pop back on the magnetic stropping plates, which are color-coded to accept 3 levels of honing compound, including 1800, 2500, and 5000. When your tool's razor sharp, everything, including the compound sticks, the lapping fluid, it all goes back in the case. I like the simplicity of it. No more hunting around the shop for what you need. It is all in one place. In fact, I think it'll be just the thing to take with me when I travel. I like to carve when I'm on the road. If you're looking for a new system, or a second one for working outside the shop, the M-Power SBS system is something you should at least take a look at.